I am S.K. Mishra, your chemistry teacher. I will take the class from your chemistry first chapter, matter in our surroundings. Matter in our surroundings. When we look around us, we encounter with variety of things, and this variety of things every moment, every day we are coming with close of that things. Say for example, chair, cot, table, television, mobile, food items, everything at this earth made up of, or you can say the matter. They are made up of the different kinds of materials which the scientists call the matter. Regarding the matter, you see that anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. कोई भी चीज जो स्थान घेरता हो, जिसमें मास हो, वजन हो, उसको हम जो है मैटर कहेंगे. एवरीथिंग ऑन दिस अर्थ, वेदर इज इट दैट इज ए लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग, इज मेड अप ऑफ द मटेरियल्स. आवर इंडियन फिलोसफर, they classified in early times the everything on this earth is made up of 5 basic elements. They call them panch tattva. हिंदी में इसको कहते हैं, ये 5 तत्व क्या है हिंदी में? क्षितिजल पावक गगन समीरा. क्षितिज मीन्स अर्थ, जल वाटर, पावक अग्नि, गगन स्काई एंड समीर एयर. Everything on this earth, whether it is a living or non-living, they are made up of these 5 basic elements. That is called as the Panch Tattva: earth, water, fire, sky and air. Clear? कोई भी चीज, we are also matter because we have mass. We cover the space. Anything which occupies space and has mass, that is called as the matter. Now you see the characteristics of matter. Characteristics of matter. Characteristics of matter. Every thing or matter is made up of small particles. Small particle. Every matter is made up of small particles which is called as the atoms. How can you say? You take a beaker and fill it with water. Filled with water. And you keep one ink tablet at one place in this beaker. And this is a colored ink tablet. And after few minutes, you will see the color of the water is changed. It is because of that color of ink tablet is made up of small particles, and when they come in contact with water, they diffuse, they leave the place and they settle between the space of these water molecules, and the color of water is changed. Another example you see that you light a agarbatti, you keep it on one corner of the room, and you can feel the smell of that agarbatti on another corner of this room. It is because of the particles of agarbatti, they diffuse, they move from one corner of room to another corner. So matter is made up of the small particles. Another characteristics you see that the particles are so small that they cannot be seen by naked eyes. Naked eye. They cannot be seen with by naked eye. Third chemical property, the particles have space between them. Particles have space between them. And fourth characteristic, the particles are constantly moving. You can observe with this how the particles are moving. You come in a room which is closed and dark. You make a hole in a window from where the light may enter into the room. You will find that a beam of light coming through this hole, and in that beam of light you find the many small particles, maybe of the dust, they are moving here and there. So they are constantly moving. And another property is that are characteristic, that is they have kinetic energy. They have means the particles. The particles have the kinetic energy. These are the characteristics of the matter. Now we shall see the next point, the states of matter. states of matter. Its states of matter. There are three states of matter based on the arrangement of particles and space between them. There are three states of matter, that is the solid, liquid and gas. We shall discuss later in another